How to open an HSBC bank account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to open an HSBC bank account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for hsbc.co.uk. You will be led to the official webpage of HSBC. Next, on the home screen, tap the banking option from the horizontal menu at the top. Further, select the bank account option under Current Accounts tab. Now, scroll down and tap on the red How to Apply button. Next, read the information about how to apply carefully, then select the type of account you want to apply at the bottom. You can choose either a sole account or a joint account. On the account creation page, read the information about the eligibility and requirements, then tap on the Confirm and Start button. On the personal details page, input your name, gender, date of birth, nationality, and marital status, and then tap on the Continue button. Next, upload a picture of your ID card to verify your account and finish the process. So, this is how you can open an HSBC bank account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.